Hey y'all, I am going to do an unboxing of what I call a Diamond Art Club T90 kit. It is T90, which T90 means tiny, tiny. It is one of their smaller kits, and it is Happy Guy. Isn't he adorable? Look at, oh my, okay, we're gonna pull this up. Excuse the cursor if you see it go by, because I have to manually get in there and focus. Okay. Happy Guy is square shaped drills. He is a 17 by 22. Look at that adorable face. He is, oh, I cannot remember the name of this character on Jungle Book. I cannot remember his name. I have lost it. I have lost it. And I haven't seen Jungle Book in a while. So, yeah, there's no getting that back. I've lost it, and I'm going to have to go watch Jungle Book again. Okay, so let's see what he is all about. Here is the kit in case you are new to diamond painting. You get a drill pen, a tray, you get baggies, you get heart-shaped wax. Aren't they sweet? They think they love us. And you get a squishy to put on your pen. And then you get a multi-placer, which this one is a 3 multi-placer. Like I said, this is a T90. 17 by 22 is definitely T90. Okay, I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it yet. So we're going to take it over here, and I'm going to turn my head. And I'm going to go ahead and throw away this piece of paper that is so useless. This. All right. So the born on day for this one was March 25th. And I can tell you that normally I make an order on Saturdays, and I get my kits by Thursday. There was one time that I got them Friday. So usually, if you don't count Sunday, I get them in 4 days after ordering. So here we go. Look at your face. Now, I'm noticing something here. Is it just okay? Yeah. I'll bring you down into this so that I don't have to lift it up. Okay. Straighten him up. Let me focus. I try to get the light out of the way while I focus. So if you look at this, and I'm going to bring there. Okay. Guys, what's really? Look at that face. I'm sorry about the glare. And look at this face. Not quite the same. The eyes. Look at the eyes. These pupils are different than these pupils. I mean, look at that. And look at that. He looks stunned. I mean, I know it's probably just because of the size of it. I really do. I'm not being terribly critical. I still think he's cute. I will still do him. I'm not going to be so critical of him that it's like, oh my. But there's a difference in the eyes. And I guarantee you it has to do with the small size. But that's okay. I find it interesting they put this really light S and this really light dash on these greens. Oh my. Now let's go back down into this and look. Let's pick this apart because, you know, I'm I'm very honest in these. So let's look at this. Now, this might cause me some issue if I don't put it on my light pad. See how light that S and that dash is? I mean, over here it looks fine. Over here it looks different than here. It's lighter. That's interesting. Maybe not though. Maybe I'll be okay with it. But oof, oof, man, oh man. That's interesting. But these the symbols are clear. It's just that those are really, really light. They're very light. Okay, so get you on back up here with me. And focus, focus. There we go. Ooh, now I gotta fix you up here. There you go. Come on back around. He's cute. It's not the face on the canvas. I think he's cute. I think he's adorable. But if you compare it to the box, it's not the same. It's not. But I do love the face. Don't get me wrong. I like this face. I just think that they should, the picture should match. That's all. Okay, so we have 23 colors. That means there's going to be some good shading going on. Which if you look at the background, you see it better over here, you can tell that it goes from light to dark and back to dark in the background. So they did well with the shading. So let's look at the beads. Let's check the beads out. Here comes the rattling. We got lots of greens, folks. We got a lot of greens. Greens. That's like a dark blue. There's some more green. There's your black. One pack of black. Dark blue. Green. Okay. Then we got some peach and brown and gray. Brown. That's like a sandy lavender color. That is pretty. And there is another sandy looking lavenderish color. It almost looks tan on the camera. There's a gray. There's like a peachy color. That's like a grayish. And there's a blue that's pretty. Okay. Trying to see 312 where that would go. All right, that's over here. That's pretty. Then another sand color. Green, green, pretty blue, and more green. So lots of greens. Lots of greens. They are pretty. I mean, don't get me wrong. He's adorable. He's cute. But I just wish that this matched the outside of the box. That's all. That's all it is. I'm not being, well, I mean, I'm being critical, but not, I don't feel like I'm being just mean about it. I mean, I'm giving my honest critique. And if I wasn't honest, why would you come and watch, right? I wish he had a schematic. I really wish he had a schematic, but that's okay. That's all right. I'll put him on the copy machine here at the house, the printer copy machine. Oops, I just hit my camera, sorry. I got you so far down in here. Okay. But I will put that on my printer, scanner. Oh well. And work on making my own, just like I did with the tiger close up. Okay. He is all back situated. There you go. There is Happy Guy, and I cannot remember his name, but he is off of Jungle Book. I cannot remember his name. Oh my goodness. Because the only thing that comes to me right now is the boy's name, Mowgli. I just can't. Oh my. And I don't know. Anyway. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. I hope you appreciate the fact that I am honest about some of the things, like not matching up the picture with the image. I'm sorry, that's how I feel about it. I will still do it. I will still hang it up. I will still enjoy it. With that being said, I'll let y'all go. Y'all have a great day. And until next time, bye y'all.